Welcome to Mage, the ultimate AI image and video generation platform. Anything you can imagine, you can create, unlimited and private. In this video, I'm going to break down everything you need to know to create your own stunning masterpieces. Whether or not you've used Mage before, you've probably seen something similar to this. This is the prompt bar. Everything you need to get started generating is right here. For example, if I wanted to create, I just type in my prompt and click generate. Most users would just leave it here, but if you want to take your generations to the next level and experience the full power of Mage, you gotta understand what everything else in this box does. The first thing to get is unlimited versus gems. If you have any paid Mage plan, you have access to unlimited generations. Almost every model can be used in unlimited, although some higher resolutions and lengths will cost additional gems. Gems can be used on just about anything, including speeding up any generation, indicated by this fast mode toggle. Every Mage plan gives you a certain amount of gems per month, and more gems can be purchased if you run out. You can even get 300 gems for free just by signing up. The next thing to understand is this section right here. It's pretty self-explanatory. This toggles what type of content you'll be creating. Mage has state-of-the-art image, video, and audio generation capabilities. Just pick which one you're trying to make. I'm going to leave it on video for now because that's what we'll be building today, but all of these settings will work the same for the other modes too. This is how you upload an image reference. You can hand Mage a picture and it'll work from that. The image can be used to direct the style, framing, lighting, setting, pretty much anything. Just describe which things you want to use from the image when you're writing your prompt. This is where you select your model. This is probably the most important thing you can change in your generations. Put simply, this changes the AI that actually generates your image. Different models excel at different things. For example, Melon Pro is great for anime style generations, while Cherry Pro will get you cinematic photorealistic generations. Mage has a model for every kind of artist, so whatever you're trying to create, make sure your model matches your vision. In this case, we'll leave it on Cherry Pro for that cinematic feel. The next section, character. This completely solves one of the most common problems with AI generation. Say you type in a prompt and click generate. Looks good. Now you want the same character doing something else. You describe them the exact same, but now they look like a completely different person and your story is thrown off entirely. The way we get around this is with characters. Once you generate someone that matches your vision, upload them as a character. You can even upload or generate a voice for them if you want them to sound the same between generations. Then, in your next prompt, tag them. Mage will know exactly who you're talking about and will recreate them perfectly. I'll upload this character sheet I made of myself, also using Mage, name my character, and we're set. References work the same as characters, but for objects, locations, poses, and outfits. By tagging these in your prompt, you can make sure your generation stays consistent and looks exactly how you envision it. I'll upload a couple now, a sword, some armor, and a large battlefield. With those out of the way, let's move to advanced. Advanced is the settings page. Everything we've already covered from the bar is here, plus a few more important things. Aspect ratio, resolution, video length. Just a warning, longer and higher resolution videos will cost more gems, so make sure you're being deliberate with your choices. For this video, I'll be setting the aspect ratio to 16:9, a widescreen cinematic format, the resolution to 1080p, so it's nice and crisp, and the length to 10 seconds, to make sure our action has time to breathe. Next up, Auto Create. Auto Create lets you generate in large batches. It's a great tool for iterating, when you want to see 20 different options before you settle on a final result. You can flip this toggle to enable prompt variation so each comes out a little different, or leave it off to minimize differences. Here's an example of an Auto Create batch with prompt variation turned on. And that's the whole prompt bar. Now you know what each setting does, letting you bring your generations to life exactly how you imagine them. Let's write a quick prompt using the characters, references, and settings we've established. Now you know how it's done, so go get started.